Welcome to the kingdom. New day, another $200 to $1,000 profit is what we're going to take out this market. So I'm going to get in right now. This candle looks like it's pushing up. This is the 5 minute. Let's see before I get in some confirmation. It looks pretty good. That's only 5 contracts. Okay, it's the 5 minute. We're up $30. So we have a problem right here. Top, lower top, and the lower top. It's got to break the 80s. I'm going to say 82, 83 in order for this to be a nice runner. Let's see if we can get that break. I really believe this is going to run. It could get back to the 90s. I'm definitely going to add some more. Let's add 5 more. Let's see, that looks okay. It's dropping. Okay, there it is. I should have added when I had the chance. I added way too late. On a 1 minute, it has to stay above that VWAP. Let's see what the next candle does. If it gets in the 40s, I'm going to add again. This thing can go all the way down to 200. But you can see these bounces right in here. These bounces off the VWAP in the 1 minute. If I get a reversal, let's see if we can get a reversal in this 5 minute right here. This doesn't know what it wants to do. Dow is down 100, NASDAQ is down 11. Got a little reversal on the Dow. Well, let's play it and see what happens. Should have bought. See how it's staying above that VWAP? It does staying in this little box area. Hold on 1 second. Okay, just hold on. Watch this. Okay, I'm gonna buy more because it definitely looks like it wants to turn. I might have been too late. Yeah, definitely too late. If I get a little drop back to this yellow line here. This Dow is actually doing nothing. Look at that, stopped right at my line. Can you believe that? Yeah, we should have, see how I was telling you this right here? Lower high, lower high, lower high. This looks like it's gonna make another lower high. If we can get up to the 70s, this next candle is about to form. Okay, we should get a nice push up here. This is the candle. I'm looking for a turnaround right there. Cannot violate that. Cannot violate the, cannot get in the three handles or we're in trouble. Yep, we are in trouble. This is where we sit and wait patiently. All right, I'm taking $15. So in this instant, we're on micros. So what we can do is go to the minis. If we see a big push down, go to the minis. You do one. The question is, do we get a turnaround on this next candle? Which is any second now. Wow. I think that's all I can go right there. So we're trying to play this double bottom right here. 1, 2. So we need to get over $500 to make this worth it. We just hit broke even. We were down 2,300. We need a nice big push on this next candle. We need a big push on this next candle. This candle has to go. This candle has to break that line. and we're in the money. I'm going to take anywhere over 300 because we have 80 contracts, so you know we're going to get hit by commissions. So I need a nice strong push. Oh my God, we were up 3, 7. There it is. $815. $15 on the first trade, $815 on the second trade, which gives us $830, all in 17 minutes. $800 in 17 minutes. Where else are you going to do that? And it's still going. I could have stayed in, made my 1,000 easy today. $830. The double bottom made us money. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. You could even leave me a comment, or better yet, you can subscribe. But in the meantime, I need you to get out there and create a kingdom business. We do this for the kingdom. The money we make goes into blessing other people. I'm hoping that you get this. I'm not doing this for entertainment or for fun. Now look at that nice run up. That's probably a $2,000 morning. All in less than 20 minutes. I would sell it right there when it hits my line. That was beautiful. I just got out too early, but we still made $800 on the day. 20 minutes worth of work. With God, all things are possible. You can break the curse of poverty that's over your life through the stock market and through owning a business. Let me show you how. Let me show you how I created a kingdom business. And then in turn, you can get out there and create a kingdom business. Shalom.